Hello, gadget enthusiasts. Today we have prepared for you some gadgets that will impress you. So grab your favorite drink and stay until the end so you don't miss the coolest gadgets. Have you ever wished you could make your car rides more exciting? Imagine being able to step into a virtual reality world while you're driving down the highway. This amazing gadget takes real-time data from your car and combines it with a virtual reality environment, so you can experience a fully immersive VR world while in the backseat of any car. The Holoride retrofit is able to sense your car's movement and position, ensuring that your VR experience is perfectly synced with the motion of your vehicle. No more motion sickness from playing VR games in a stationary position. What's even better is that this device is compatible with any car, regardless of the make or model year. The Neon Crystal Cube is a unique lamp that is designed to enhance your mood and provide a warm ambiance to your space. With its 360-degree lighting, it is capable of illuminating every corner of your room. The lamp is equipped with the latest Moonside smart app and multiple color zone technologies that allow you to customize the color and brightness of each individual LED pixel. This means that you can select from a wide range of colors to create the perfect mood for your space. Whether you want to create a vibrant, energetic atmosphere or a calm, relaxing ambiance, the Neon Crystal Cube is the perfect lamp for you. This peculiar lamp is not just any ordinary lamp. It has the power to create a magical and mesmerizing atmosphere in any interior space. With its unique construction, a nylon string bound between two motors creates amazing standing waves that can be seen and felt. What's more, each lamp has been programmed with not just one, not two, but 11 different color patterns, each one vividly unique from the others. With the ability to switch between these different color patterns, this lamp provides endless possibilities to customize your interior space and create the perfect ambiance. Are you in the market for a reliable bicycle that is easy to ride and store away when not in use? The Brompton A Line folding bike is the perfect solution for you. This incredible bike has a one-of-a-kind three-part fold and is carefully crafted with a compact and sturdy design that can handle your daily commute or spontaneous adventures. Not only is this bike convenient to ride and store, but it is also incredibly portable, weighing in at only 25 pounds. You can easily store it in your trunk or take it with you on your travels. The puncture-resistant tires ensure that you won't have to worry about pesky flat tires, and the reflective sidewalls will keep you visible even in low-light conditions. Tired of constantly struggling to find a free socket? Look no further than this power strip tower. It boasts a whopping 9 AC sockets, 3 standard USB ports, and a USB-C port, providing ample space for all of your devices to charge simultaneously. This tower has a total of 13 outlets, ensuring that you'll never have to choose which device to charge first. And with a powerful 20W output for the USB-C port, your devices will charge faster than ever before. Safety concerns? Fear not! This tower is not only waterproof, but also equipped with surge protection to prevent any potential short circuits. Additionally, its touch panel allows you to control the cool RGB lighting to suit your preferences. Can a single gadget replace all your camping gear? Absolutely. Not only does it offer a powerful 200 lumen output with 4 modes to choose from, but it also includes a dozen little boxes with camp essentials right inside. The kit includes 70 most needed items, ensuring that you'll be prepared for any situation. From a can opener, wire saw, and sewing kit to Vssl and waterproof matches, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. The included marine-grade rope can handle up to 250 pounds, making it strong enough for even the most challenging situations. And if anything goes wrong, the mini first aid kit will be there to help you out. In addition to all of the camping essentials, you'll also get a precise compass, razor blade, and some fishing equipment. With everything you need in one convenient package, you'll be able to take on any camping adventure with confidence. Why settle for a plain glass when you can elevate your drinking experience with the Draft Top beer can opener? This innovative tool not only makes it effortless to remove the top of your cans, but it also enhances your sensory experience by allowing you to fully smell the aromas of your drink. With the Draft Top beer can opener, you can enjoy your favorite beverages as if they were freshly poured from a tap. The smooth edges ensure a comfortable drinking experience without any sharp or jagged edges that could cut your lips or tongue. Using the Draft Top beer can opener is a breeze. Simply twist the gadget a few times and voila! You can now drink straight from the can like a true connoisseur. And don't worry about struggling to get your garnishes into the can anymore. The wide opening provides ample space for your favorite flavors to mingle. This dual-band wireless router is definitely worth checking out. Not only does it have impressive speeds of up to 867 megabits per second on 5 gigahertz and 400 Mbps on 2.4 gigahertz, but it is also capable of handling up to 40 wireless devices simultaneously, making it the perfect choice for large households or offices. This router is also super safe with IPv6 support, OpenVPN, and WireGuard pre-installed, ensuring that your internet connection is always secure. What's more, it is compatible with over 30 VPN service providers, giving you even more options to choose from. And if privacy is a concern, this router has got you covered with pre-installed Tor service and Cloudflare support. With this feature, you can be sure that your browsing will remain private and secure. This high-tech key is a game-changer for your home and car security. With just one click of a button, you can open your garage, unlock your door, switch on the lights, set your alarm, and control all your smart devices. Thanks to its compatibility with Alexa and Siri, you can also manage all these tasks with your voice. Plus, the dedicated app offers a plethora of features, such as setting over 100 scenes and controlling several gadgets in just one click with the Quick Controls feature. What's more, you can even open your car and start the engine while enjoying your breakfast with your family. And in case you misplace your key or phone, the built-in locator will come in handy. Additionally, the flashlight with the panic button is perfect for those late-night returns home. With this high-tech key, you can rest easy knowing that you have complete control over your home and car security, all while enjoying the convenience of cutting-edge technology.